get into your fighting positions. It doesn't matter if you're orthodox or southpaw. This will work for both. Now, when you're in your fighting positions, keep your hand up. What you want to do is step forward with the leader leg, follow with the rear. So step, follow, step, follow, step, follow, right? And when you're going backwards, your rear foot will step, follow, step, follow, step, follow, step, follow. Now, it is important to remember when you step, don't over exaggerate it. So don't go like this and then you're off of balance, right? You want to find just that good zone that you can still move. And when you slide the rear foot up, don't go again like this. Now you're off balance, right? Keep the natural fighting position. So when you're here, little, right? And same when you go back. Don't over exaggerate it. Don't go like this and there. And don't go like here and you're off of balance. Keep it natural, right? So when you're here, slide. Slide, alright? Now, add in your jabs when you're going forward. So, step, punch, step, punch, step, punch. Same with going back. Alright? I'm going to slow that down again. So when you're stepping forward, as soon as you step forward, your jab goes out. So boom, and pull it, right? So boom, pull, boom, pull. And same with going back. So punch, pull it in. Punch, pull it in. Punch, pull it in. And you see how I'm right here? When I pull in the punch to retract it, my leg comes in at the same time. So when you're here, boom, right? You punch, boom. Same when you're through the jab. As soon as this leg slides forward, jab back in. Right? Now practice that. So you're going back, back, back. And then forward, 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 back, 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 forward, 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 back, back, back. Okay? And then practice, practice, practice. Make sure you like, share, and